Pailkit has another live endpoint. So finished up the transcription. So we have rooms, transcription, slowly but surely replacing, getting all of the functionality that used to exist in the bundle into Pailkit. Really, it's just a migration project. So while I've been doing this one-to-one of like planning what each endpoint needs to be, building it piece by piece, handing off pieces to the execution agents, going back. Probably something I can do that's a little bit more automatable. Even though there's a little bit of different architecture choices. One's JavaScript, this is Python. Even though I'm questioning my decision on Python. It used to be that Python was really the only languages you could use for AI stuff, but it seems like now a lot of the major players support JavaScript and TypeScript well. So who knows? Maybe AI will do a rewrite, but that's in there supporting a couple of transcription profiles. Next, I'm gonna take actually the docs for probably the add-ons and put it into my Pailkit repo. And I think that might even accelerate the development because then I can reference like, oh, like this is what the feature actually is. And the existing bundle, this is what I wanna compare it to since now I've done that pattern of migrating at least 2 of them. Partially, there's still a lot more functionality to add. Process wise, something new that I've actually been trying as well with my like review code prompt, which I saw from somebody who works at Cursor. They shared some of their slash commands, has added an AI slop detection. I know it's really trivial, but so far it's given some interesting suggestions on like comments. Because now when I do stuff with AI, I'm very much in like my planning, kind of like with my planning / orchestration agent, and like the execution agent is just like going off and like doing the tasks that I hand off. But this is what that AI slop detection looks like. You know, check the diff, look for redundant or obvious comments, defensive checks, try catch blocks, type corrections, reverse naming, filler helpers, things like that. And then it adds a little report to the end. But yeah, would love to hear if anybody's done any like big migration project, especially with a coding agent, where it's really just like rewriting something in a slightly different format. I think code agents are actually like generally very good at that. And do you do a piecemeal, or have you found a way to just kind of have it run iteratively or in a loop? And then also would love any thoughts or ideas on what you all use for like reviewing code. I know manually definitely is something I layer on, but if you have any like AI assistants or other tools that you use. That's it from me today.